Wait. I forgot to turn on the mic. Hello. I forgot I had that stuff there. Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me? All good? Music good? Everything good? Yes? Okay. Okay. 1 second. I'll be right back. I need to do something I forgot to do. 1 second. I'll be back. Okay. Hello. Actually, I just noticed that some of my movements is actually wrong. 1 second. Is this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. Oh, I see. Let me check. Is this the one I want now? 1 second. Or is this one? Not this one. This one? Okay, this one seems correct. This one is the one that looks a bit off. Yeah, I think this one is the one that is off. 1 second. That should kinda fix it. Okay, let me switch this to 15 and this to 8. Maybe a 5? Okay, here we go. The movement is fluid now. Okay. Just fixing some stuff. Okay, today we continue with the fall. Yeah, I just noticed that, for example, when I twist my body to the right, like this, my chest was facing the wrong way. It was pointing like this way. So I had to put a minus sign somewhere so it matched my actual movements. Okay, so today we will be working on the falling mechanic. Hopefully this time we will finish it correctly. I believe this should be fairly easy. to finish. Yeah. Hopefully. I think. I'm not sure. I hope. Yeah. I think it's maybe an issue with the way the rectangle was drawn. So the rectangle wasn't actually showing the correct position of the corners. I believe that was the issue. I need to check my music because that track shouldn't be there. Okay, so let me first play Russian roulette once more. Let's see what I get today. And 3, 2, 1, go. The fuck? Again? Wait. Really? Did I get the exact same item on the workshop? Yes, it's the exact same item, huh? Let's roll. One more time. Yep. What the hell is this? I have no idea what is this. Let me check in the items. What is this thing called? Not that. Not that. Not that either. WA is called. I suppose it means waveform. I think it's a sound animation. Kinda weird, I must say. I don't know what to do with this. What do I do with this? It's a waveform, so at least that's what I think it is. Well, I got something weird, but in a different way than a body pillow. Yeah, okay, let me switch to the room. Development. Let me grab my waveform. I don't know why I have a waveform, but okay. Really? Let's check it out. So just as a reference, let's see where we were. So we have this that doesn't quite check the values correctly, right? I was thinking on using something like this. Let me show you. Where was it? Falling thing was in movement, if I recall correctly. Is the edge check. instead of doing this with the offset, these ones, instead of using this, that is draw a rectangle, I was planning instead using, there was a draw line, this one. So I was planning on using this like this. So I grab X and Y for the player, and then I grab the bounding box left, bounding box top. The start is going to be color blue, and the end is going to be color red, like that. So that will give us something like this. I don't see a damn thing. Do you see it? I don't see it. Well, I could make it an X if I set this like this. Is going like that. And the box, this would be right, and this would be bottom. And let's call this red. Maybe that way I can see it better. There we go. For some reason the box is not quite centered. That's the issue, I believe. It didn't work as I hoped. Let me see if maybe I'm confusing something. Let me read this more carefully. Let me see, can I check this in the manual? Huh. Maybe if I do something like this. So the top would be this function, but for sprite underscore player player idle down. And this goes here. This is top, like that. Oh, this, and that's showing. Actually, it's kinda correct, kinda not. It's on the top, the line. So it's giving me a bit of a position. So I could let me set a variable x equals to this x plus y. Okay, that kinda looks correct. That's for the top. Yeah. Let me check something. This is bottom. So this should give me the position, kinda. So this should make a line on the top, like that, right? Now we just need to move the line to the position of the player. So we just add a Y. Right? But that's not quite correct. That's so weird. Can I just use mask index right here? Still not correct. Huh. Basically, these V-Bucks are useless to me, it seems. You decided to completely drop the idea? Let's call this X1. X1. This will be X0. This will be Y0 and Y1. Okay. That should give us one line. And then we need to grab this one and place it here and this one over here to make an X. Yeah. Okay. And this is top left, top right, but this is bottom, this is left and right. Right, and I can make this bigger. Alright, this is supposed to be X1, you are indeed correct. I set these to 8 and these to 10. Okay, that is correct. Now I just need to add the correction, maybe. So let's set this to minus. We don't need a correction on X. Let's make this -4. Okay, that kinda looks good. Okay, I need to make this a little bit smaller and that's it. I need to make Y smaller also. Okay, Y needs to be a little bit smaller, even. Hmm. It's not picking up the correct location again. Why is doing that? It is for my mouse is picking it up perfectly. That is not picking up anything. Let's see, objects, player. I believe I'm calling it on the right here. Is a check every frame. I'm not calling it here, right? No, I'm not. It should be continually checking, I believe, every frame. Huh, wait, let me, according to this, what is it, not here, this is the end of the line, this is the start. So if I grab this and I set this to 0 right there, and we set this to blue for this, and we always start right here on the player, just so I'm sure I'm not drawing things incorrectly. This is for 0, 0, top left, then we need top right and bottom left and bottom right, like this, I believe. That should be correct. Yeah. Okay, the blue can barely be seen. Let me change this to a green. It's almost as hard to see. Did you see that? Huh. The position is not quite correct right there. Look where they are starting. Huh. Interesting. So if I remove this correction here, that's very weird. That right there. That looks normal, right? But it is not triggering. Huh. There it triggered 3. Huh. What the fuck? Okay, let's call this red. This will be yellow. This will be black. And this will be white. Okay, so top left is red, right? Top right is yellow. Okay, that looks good. Bottom left is black, bottom right is white. This looks correct. It's just not detecting correctly. What the hell? Yeah, it's detecting right here with the mouse, but it's not working for the... not here. Yeah, here I'm checking against the same tile mat right here. Right? This is the mouse. It's the same function. The object? What object are you talking about? What's happening here? What if I move this? I move it over here. It's still not quite picking things up correctly. Map, asset object, ID instance, constant, color array, X and Y. Okay, let me try something. What about if I just call the function just a single time? How about if I just do one at a time? Okay, so we have that position, right? Let's see. Top left. Oh, oops. I need to comment this also. Okay, so we have only top left. Wait a second. Let me set this to red so I can see it more clearly. This feels like it is like a few pixels up for some reason. Let me make this exaggerated. So I will set this to 60. I will set this to sexy. And we have that, right? So it should be hitting right there. That is not detecting anything unless we reach the spot. When it comes to X, it's doing fine. The issues with Y. That it should be detecting. The mouse is working correctly. Let's see. I want underscore x0 and y0 is, and I'm going to do the same but for the mouse. So I will make it like this. Just so I see what's happening. Okay, so that right here is, well, it's hard to see, but it's 207, 177, right? Here I already checked that is working. For some reason, this point right here is not detecting it. Huh. That's really weird. Oh, you're right. The Y is in a ground value. Huh. What the hell? Wait. What's happening here?
What in the Kentucky Fried Frick is happening in here?
What the hell? Printing just the Y? Okay, that's the Y. Let me do the same over here for the player. Adjust the Y. Yeah, here is like 80. on this spot. So 74 is about here. 50 is actually around here. It's off like by 10 pixels. It's like 10 pixels off. Yeah, it's about 10 pixels off. Huh. So if I do this and I remove 10 pixels, do you read that should work? Okay, now the Y is correct. The position of the line, I mean, is correct. Wait, 1 second, what happened there? 141. It's still a little bit off the line. Hold on. I'm confusing myself. 1 second. Okay. 110 should be about there. It's still a tiny bit off. Just a tiny bit. $17. Still a little bit off. Like by 6 pixels or something like that. Yeah, about 6 pixels. It's always off like about 6 pixels. No matter what I do. Yeah. $500? Why? Okay, let me do something like this. On the player, I'm going to not just show the edge check. I'm going to add the position. So x plus comma y, and we add the position. Wait, am I missing? Yeah, a plus. And I need a plus right there. Okay, so here we're doing this, okay? So we have this on 0. This is unnecessary, right? So we only have, let's add 10 to the offset. So the difference between the y of the player and the y of the line should be just 10, right? So the y of the player is okay, that's correct. This is kinda correct with the y of the player. Huh. That's odd. Wait. Wait. Start of the line. Right end of the line. Right, so this is this right here is the position of the player. This over here is where the wait, what the actual fuck is happening here? So this is where the player is supposed to be, right? Because this is 201. This right here, 211, is supposed to be where the y is supposed to be. Right? Am I crazy? Huh? What's happening? What? The y of the player is to 1. But this dip right here is to 1. And 91, it should be around here. Yeah, around here. Around the height of the eyes of the player. But instead we are going down by 10. What the hell? Wait. Hold on. What happens if I draw a line from 0 to the player? Zero is the left corner. the Y is off by around. Here is off by around 20. What the fuck? So if I want this to be exactly at the player's location, this should be minus 20. Yeah. Now, this is correct with the tip of the line. The player X should be 10 more. So, it should be just 10. Now the tip of the line is exactly, yeah, that's the center of the player. But this number is wrong right here. That's so weird. Huh. So I can basically do what I was doing. If I create a bar underscore dy, and we will call this y minus 10, and instead of this I use this, and I can then keep what I was doing before, and in theory that should draw the square correctly, and I just need to set this like that, and let's make this red. In theory, that should be correct. That should be the correct values. That's 2. That's just... that should be 1 right there. No, that's not working as I wanted. Ah! What's happening here? Well, what I know is that the line is wrong, right? So what I could just do is ignore the line completely. Just ignore this. I wanted to use it as a reference, but it seems like it doesn't work. So I could just ignore the lines completely and just go off of the values right here. So I will be doing this. So here we are detecting 2. That's 3. That's 4, right? This is too much already, so we have to shrink it on the X side. So we can set this to 4 and like that. Yeah, reversed. Okay, that looks good. That's not okay. And if we are right here, that should not be good enough. I don't know if this actually is correct, so let me set it to 0 for now. Let's see, 1 1 0 1. Okay, I need to shrink the it's not detecting there, so maybe increase the Y to 8. Okay, that's maybe not enough. I need to make the Y a little bit smaller. I need to make it more offset. So let's add the correction right here. And let's make it of 1 for now. Come on. That looks correct. That's not correct. Okay. Okay. That should be still a 1, so okay, that's looking correct. The bottom side looks good. The Y is not correct, so I will set it to 6. I wish I could see the boundary. This way is very annoying. I need to move it downwards a little bit. Okay, that looks good actually. Okay, I need to move it down. A bit more, so this becomes 6. Okay. Let's reduce this and reduce this. Okay. Okay, from the sides it looks good. From top down is still not quite there. From the bottom is correct, from the top is not. Yeah, indeed. That's exactly how it feels. Okay, I think that's correct. Okay, from the top, that doesn't look good. Yeah, from the top it doesn't look good. From the sides it kinda looks fine. The issue is when you fall from here, it doesn't look good. Yeah. Maybe I can use these variables right here to tell how to place the player. So for example, that's fine. That doesn't look good. Okay, that looks good when it comes to detection. I don't need this variable. We can remove those. Okay. Can I center on tile? Maker. Understand that I can serve for being to my above finding because ship shit that. Not what I'm looking for. This. Blah, blah, blah. Huh? Collision. Yeah, indeed, this function is awful. I can use this. That would be on player step on falling. I can just set this like that. So when I do this, oh, I see. Oops. I'm supposed to paste the tile size. Wow! Let's make it 16. Please. That's not quite correct, but let me see. Yeah. It is centering the tile. The issue is not in the position it was. So this centers on the tile, right? What does div do exactly? Okay, what did you do? Division and modulo where dips give you the model value divided by the personally integrating coefficient, while mod gives you perception. Mind the division. Okay. So this gives you the... Uh-huh. Okay, so this is basically when you divide something by something. This is the... what is called it? The... well, I know how it's called in Spanish, but I don't remember the name in English. Okay. So this gives you the exact value of the division, right? So this is the correct tau. I need to multiply this by 32. I believe that's the solution, if I'm not mistaken. Whoa! Oops. Pew. Yeah, it's not. Let me see what value it gives. So I just grab this and I will place it right here. This gives for X, this gives for Y. And I don't need this for now. And over here, I will comment this first. I need to know what's happening first. Okay. So if I'm over here on the corner, I'm on 1 1. This is 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1, 7 1. Okay. That means my assumption was correct. I need to multiply it to get the correct value right here. So let me check the map. Dungeon for 0. I believe if I go over here, the size of the tile is 32. Okay. Is to center the player on the tile. So if I multiply, so let me make another one of this, and what I'm going to do is just multiply this by 32 just to show the value. Right? Ah, I multiplied both. Okay. Like this, you can see the location, right? Let me check once more. So this is indeed 224 right here. Actually, it's a little bit too much. Wait, no, that's the white. So this is right here, the center of the player. Actually, okay, so it would be instead just this, like that. Just to verify nothing weird is going on, let me add a little if right here. I will just check that the state is not falling. To set it only once. And phew. Okay, that looks quite nice. You cannot fall through the hole. Not quite correct. That looks nice. The issue is maybe I don't need to add the extra from here. The sprite fade and go. I believe those are there for like that. Is that the correct idea? No. It looks good there, but not quite. 16. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Okay, that actually looks nice. Yeah, that worked. Indeed. Okay, that looks good, actually. Nice. It took a lot of effort, but it worked. Finally. Actually, let me fix this. Let's make it like over here. Oh, hold on. These ones. So I can use it with any sprite. It should be working the same way, I believe. Actually not. Maybe because the sprite is not the same size. Yeah, I will just place it on 16 then. Okay. Let's do it like that. And I forgot to remove the manual. Okay, that is working now. Finally. Oof. Yeah, comment? Like what? There we go. Okay, we had the valve mechanic working, finally. That was painful. Let me take that off. Okay, that's good, and the fall animation is good. I just need to make it. The idle animation. Okay, idle animation, okay. I kinda don't want to make it the idle animation. Oh yeah, you're right. I need to respawn the player. Okay, I need to go to the animation end. And I need to make a new case, state falling. We say what I'm doing when I check for attacks. Here I'm triggering the UI for hearts. Okay, so I will say, hey, HP minus, you lost some hearts, and we switch the state to idle. Actually, let's hit switch the state to hit. And we need to save the location. You're right. Let's set it like this. But let me put that over here. I don't need this actually. I don't need this. So let's call this last ground tile. Equals vector okay, and what I'm going to do here on step is place an else. We are just going to save x equals this, and or y equals this, and on animation end we just say x equals this x, y equals this y, like that, right? So if I fall, I teleported to the last spot. Ah. Or you fall infinitely. It works for that one. It doesn't work for that one. Hold on. That's not quite correct. So what I have to do is call this var edge corners border check, and what I'm going to do is make this another if. Like this. That didn't work either. Rather than this, let's make it the x and y. Maybe that's the issue. Yeah, that was the issue. It kinda looks correct, I would say. What do you think? Is good? It could look a bit better, I would say. It's because the hole is when you trigger all the four corners of the detection, it lets you fall, but you could run around it without ever falling at all, like this, unless you hit the specific sweet spot where you can fall. Right? Yeah. There can be some pretty nasty tricks done with this style of level design. I need to do something about the caves, for sure. Yeah, I could make a gauntlet type of room with lots of enemies, like slimes, and fill it with a bunch of small holes. So you have to fight among the holes. That would be quite a challenge, I would say. Oh yeah, I need to fix the dungeon so the holes here work. Yeah. Okay, okay. That's working now. So let me remove this thing. I need to go where again? To the rooms. My menu. Show me the player. And just disable the book. Okay. Also, I need to fix the issue with the enemies right here. Like that. That way they don't show the book information. That doesn't quite look correct. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, that one doesn't look. This one, if you are at a certain position, it works. But if you are too close to the top, actually, it was working normally there. Oh, now it's working for some reason. That was a bit of a weird bug, for sure. Yeah, that could be a solution, for sure. Ah, I didn't mean to fall into that one. The enemies right now can go through holes. These ones are not fixed yet. It's looking more like a proper game now, for sure. Yeah. Okay. Ah, well, we solved the poly mechanic for sure. So poly mechanic seems good. Let me actually add the suggestion you had. I just need to go to the player here on step. I just need to do this. I just need to have an if direction equals here dot right or here equals here dot left. We save that, and if we are going up or down, actually let's do it like this. I will do this, and I will just center X for this and Y for this, right? That way, if I fall moving right, ah, that didn't work, and that didn't work. Did it the other way around? Maybe this is supposed to be here, and this is supposed to be over here. Well, it looks a bit weird, actually. Yeah, that looks weird. Probably because I'm not in the 16. Nope. This is where we're going up and down. Left and right. What am I doing wrong here? In theory, it should be correct. Yeah. I think I will not change it right now, so I don't make a huge mistake. So for now, let it leave it like this. This is working fairly well. Right? I think maybe I can just add a bit of more of an animation, and that should fix it. Okay, I was planning on doing a idle animation now. Let me, yeah, idle animation. Okay, so idle animation. Okay. Idle animation. Right now it's just a single frame. Yeah. Let me grab the head to begin. Okay, we have the head. I want the chest. Okay. Chest, please. Okay. So we have the chest. And I want the arms. So okay. Okay, we got the arms. Let me grab the skirt. Okay. The weakness is that you have... It's just attacks that you have no chance of doing a parry. Yep, you are indeed correct. short hit attacks are basically my weakness. Yeah. And finally I want the hair. So let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is simply make a few frames. Let's say 8. Yeah, a nuke would work for sure. Okay, so I grab this one and go down a little bit. This one also needs to go down. I can make this go up a little bit, but I need to put it up over here. The hair needs to be behind this. The speed is too fast. Something like this. Okay, and we do this with the hands a little bit. It looks weird, actually. Have you not seen that game where you can parry a nuke? I kinda want to make a game like that one. I don't remember the name, the exact name of the game. Let me look it up. One second. Here, let me show you this game. It's a bit like our Nier Automata. You can parry nukes. You can parry fall damage. If he cut hurt you, you can parry it. So if he does damage, you can parry. I suppose, I don't know. You can parry fall damage, so why not what you call it? A status effect? I don't know, but this game is quite the thing. Yeah, maybe I will do a playthrough of this game. It looks quite crazy. Yeah, VA Proxy, I believe it's called. Let me check on Steam. VA Proxy, yeah, that's the name. It's yeah, it's VA Proxy. I think so. I believe you can parry a lot of stuff on Ultra Kills, but VA Proxy is the first game I hear where you can parry nukes and fall damage. Okay, this actually looks kinda nice. So let me just do a little bit of removal of this. Like that. And then we just enable the rest. I think that looks nice. Let's see how does that look. That looks nice actually. We can improve the animations little by little as we progress. I was planning on adding something like a map name mechanic, where instead of these coordinates of the map, it says something like, I don't know, the open grotto or something like this, like that. West Plains or something instead of the map, and it just shows up for like a second or two and leaves, yeah, room names. I want to add something like that, so it looks it has an animation like the one for the game over, so it just shows up actually like the heart's animation that just shows up and leaves, something like that. You enter a room, it appears and leaves. I'm trying to fall into the hole and I can't. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I could, for example, in the entrance, give it a trigger for the dungeon. When you specifically go into the dungeon, and one for just the room. Yeah. I don't know if I will. Well, I will probably do something simple where you show the name of the dungeon, and I just have yet to decide on the animation how will it look. Yeah. We will see. I need to think about it. For the names, I believe for the shipwreck, I will call it something shipwreck. I haven't decided on the name here. Maybe this will be the ship name. Like, I don't know. eh, Something like that. Or I will give it a name like this. For example, for the shipwreck. For a temple, I don't know. Maybe something simple, like forest temple. Or maybe I could use, I don't know, names based on patrons. For example, I could call it. I don't know. What would be nice? Batamapa temple? Or I could do something like something like that, using names of followers. And I could call the other that could be another option. But I haven't really thought about names. For now. Because I wanted to have like a meaning, a lore meaning. So right now I don't have a lore for the shipwreck, so I'm thinking about it. But I want to name it like this. Oh, that's a nice idea also. That's a nice idea. The first letter to spell something. Huh. I need to think about it. I haven't really thought about the names of the stuff. That's why this guy is still called just slime. That's a good question. Let me see. 9-letter words. Babitri, Babirusas, Caballet, Caballero, Eaglewood, Lubricant. Ah, that would be nice actually. Verthandy? Yakarus. Macarenas. Pachinkos. Quadrants. Rabinate. Rabinis. Sabotage. Vaccines. Xenoblast. Zapateado. Caballero. Eagerness. We'll see. We'll see. Labeling. Macarenas. It would be funny if I make it spell Macarenas or macaroons. Nobleness. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, that's correct actually. I just got a nice idea. Oh, that's a really nice idea. That's a very, very nice idea. But I want to keep it a secret. Let me write it down. Not for the names of the dungeons. A way of using the names of the dungeons. Well, it probably will detect the names of the dungeons. It will give me a clue. Uh-huh. That's a really nice mechanic. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to be very careful because I want to keep this a bit of a secret. Make it an actual secret in the game. Okay, okay. Huh. Yeah, it would be interesting to see if you can figure it out. Yeah, it would be interesting for sure. Okay, okay. Okay. Huh. This is going to be interesting. It just inspired me to do a bunch of stuff that I haven't thought about it before. Huh. This might open quite the can of worms. Okay, okay. That's fine, that's fine. Yeah. Let's just say I'm getting inspired by games in the N64. So okay, 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 okay. Okay, we got one animation down. Let me do this one real quick because I believe this one will be fairly easy. You got an idea? Well, yeah, we will see. We will see eventually. If you are correct or not. Okay. Okay, and let me make a few frames right here. 368. Okay. That's too fast. That looks nice. Okay, and then let me fix this one. And you don't seem to be the kind of painter that will find enjoyment making a reasonably difficult puzzle, so unless it's probably fair. Yeah, well, to tell you the truth, when it comes to beating the game, normally, I make sure there is nothing unfair anywhere in the game, right? But when it comes to extra content or secrets, I like to basically go all out. So, for example, let's say we have levels of difficulty. We have, for example, let's say we have this is the one for beating the game. Normally, I make it straight and not difficult. Then there it comes the optional stuff. That's when I start hiding stuff, but not in very difficult spots. Everything fair. If you pay attention, you will notice it, right? That's for the second. For the third level, what I do is that I start being way more cruel, hiding stuff. So for example, this will be your green is noticeable breakable walls, for example, no? Or the bushes, the pines I use to hide doors. That's another one, right? The third level, I will put it behind puzzles. So, for example, in a room you can escape by beating every enemy. But I will, for example, place torches not being lit. For example, something like, let's say you have a torch that is not on, and you don't have to interact with it to finish the room. But if you come and you light it up, as you light every torch, I will show you a secret. Or for example, I will show you something weird. Let's say I will put a few symbols in the floor. Let's just say something like this. And you will start seeing these symbols somewhere else, where you might start thinking this might mean something. So for example, you have to place a bomb on each symbol in a specific order to open a secret room. That's the level of stuff. And then the reason I want to make it so you can see the name of each room is so I can tell you stuff like find the plains in the north of Dungeon 3, for example. So you know you had to find a room with plains in the name north of the dungeon. Like the hints we saw in the original Zelda, that they tell you stuff like go to the top of the waterfall, that kind of hint, using the names of the rooms. And then I will start giving you hints, but being more obscure about it. Like, for example, placing an arrow somewhere. Something like this. Without any context. And you have to figure out what I mean with this arrow. So yeah, I'm like that, and eventually I start to place some really nasty hidden stuff. So yeah, it will be increasing in difficulty, slowly but surely. Yeah. It would be, I will put hint, but I will not always be explicitly telling you that is a hint. For example, let's say I give you a statue holding a sword. Let's say it has a sword like that, and then I will show you this exact same sword, but with a different object in a different place, and then I will show you similar statues but without the weapons. And that's all the hint I will give you, for example. So I will not be explicit with the hints. The more difficult, the further down in the difficulty we go, the less obvious I will make it, but I will always give you a hint. So if you see something suspicious, like a tree in the middle of nowhere, that's probably a hint. Or if you see a bunch of rocks forming a circle, maybe that's a hint. So you have to be careful with that stuff. Yeah. I'm planning on doing stuff like that for sure. In fact, I'm planning on hiding a secret. No, I will not put red herrings. Because the issue with that is you make it so you no longer know if a hint is an actual hint, and that break of trust can be very frustrating to some players. So I could maybe do that for the story of the game, but not when it comes to rewards or hidden secrets. For the lore, yeah, sure, but for the actual items and upgrades in the game, nope. For story purposes, blah, versus blah blah. For story, yeah. For rewards and treasures, no. That looks good. Let's check it out. It looks nice. I thought it would be harder, to tell you the truth. Yeah, it looks nice. Well, not perfect, but it does the job. Yeah, for the lore, I want to make it interesting. Let me close some of this stuff. Okay. Let me close this. Okay. And then it's left. That's for a 6, 8. Okay. Let me switch the speed. And I will grab this one. Go down a bit. This one was already divided. This was far easier than I expected. This one also is also divided. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Yeah, it leaves room for imagination, for sure. I think something is missing from the attack, but I'm not sure what. Something feels a little bit off with the attack. The more I look at it, the more it feels a bit weird. Yeah, something feels a bit off. Yeah, it's not the animation itself, it's more about the impact. It doesn't feel like it has any weight. So maybe I need to add something so it feels more heavy. Yeah, sound maybe. I'm not sure actually. Maybe more than sound, I feel like missing knockback. It feels like it is missing some hit frames. Well, not hit frames. Impact frames, knockback on the enemies, yeah. Yeah, it feels like I'm missing something in the attacks. Maybe knockback. Maybe some freeze frames to enhance the hit. I don't know. I need to think about it. Okay, we have the idle animations. I thought it was going to be more difficult. So we had idle animation. Let me add to the extra stuff. Knockback. I believe that's something missing. Maybe some camera shake and some freeze frame. Yeah, it's still small. I need to improve the resolution. I believe it's right here. One of the stuff I need to do. Yep. That's still something pending. For sure. Ugh. Okay, we finish with this version. So I will be producing a new prototype tomorrow. I will publish it on Patreon. Check it out if you find anything interesting. Books or some recommendations. Yep. What else? Nope. I need to start implementing the enemies, because if I am going to design the shipwreck correctly, I need to make the rest of the enemies. Ah. Yeah, the slime needs to improve the path finding, because it still gets stuck every now and then. For example, I believe over here, if I do this and go all the way over here, the slimes get stuck right there. Right? So I need to improve that pathfinding for sure. Right? For example, there is stuck on the box. Ah, I fell. So yeah, I need to improve the pathfinding a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm going to maybe implement well, it might not be as hard as you think it is. I just need to think it through fairly well. Yeah, it won't be that hard. Let me check the room as a reference. 30. Maybe that's too granular. 16. Yeah, actually this looks fairly well. Yeah, I might be able to implement something that works fairly well. Mainly because I have done pathfinding before. On school, and by myself. I have done that kind of algorithms before, so it shouldn't be that hard to implement, to tell you the truth. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard, depending on how I make this work. Yeah. Yeah, I think I can implement something fairly good. I just need to plan it out fairly well. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard if I plan this correctly. It would be even more interesting. We will see. We will see. Okay. Let me switch to my room. I don't think I will continue for now, since I have to polish the prototype now. So let me go to my room. Okay. That was a bit, what to call it, stressful with the fall mechanic. In the end, I managed to make it work, but it was quite annoying, for sure. Yeah. I like this music, like for Dead Mountain kind of a scenario. Yeah, it was awful, but we managed to figure it out somehow by brute force. Let me see, what else do I have on in my assets? I have sunglasses. Wow, they move with me. It looks awful. What else do I have? I have my egg. And I want my... Where are you? This thing? It shouldn't be the game dev. I told you, there is something wrong with my playlist. With the room music playlist, I need to figure it out. I need to check on it. What else do I have here? Oh, I have this also. Pudding. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, I have a mic. I didn't know I had a mic. Yeah. A huge mic. I suppose it's meant to be like this. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Let me put it closest where my mic would be. Something like this. Yeah. Let's see. I have a hammer. Verthandy Studio. What else do I have here? What's this? What is this thing? Look, I have a ghost. Okay, what else do I have? Hola. Hola, hola. Veamos, ¿qué más tengo aquí? I have... is this a table? ¿Una mesa? Oh. Yay. ¿Y esta cosa? And this thing? ¿Qué más tengo? Let's see. What is this thing? Oh, these are the cat candles. What else? What's this? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué eres? Oh. Tapa todo. Un segundo. Let me... maybe I can just grab this and set it to... Actually, let me remove this stuff. 1 second. You. You go over here, come over here. And then I can grab this, set it like that. Okay, and then I can grab my wa. Okay, I got my wa. Okay, I got it. Come on. No, not you. Okay, like that. And you need to go a little bit down. Yay! Ya está, ¿qué les parece? ¿Puedo cambiar los lentes? ¿Y otros lentes? I saw a different kind of glasses. Where are you? That's these ones. Not you. There we go. Okay. Ya no sabe qué está pasando aquí. Okay. Another thing I want to do is improve the text to speech. I believe I can add more voices. Creo que puedo agregar más voces al text to speech. Para que sea más entretenido. Yeah. I really need to check the music playlist because this one is not supposed to be for my room. That's for the game development. Okay. Pues yo pienso que voy a parar aquí. Ya es bastante tarde. No sé nada.
Boppity bippity, your breathing is now a conscious activity.
Can I use this? Wow. Maybe I should make it so you can use this thing. You can spawn items on me. That would be an interesting project. It would be quite interesting project. Huh. I have no idea how to do that, but I'm sure it should be possible to do it. I just need to figure it out. Yeah, something like that. That's the idea. Exactly. Maybe connect it to the emotes in chat to trigger a different item. That would be interesting. For sure. Yeah. Wow. Okay, then I will go have some dinner. And I will see you guys on Monday. Entonces voy a ir a cenar. Buenas noches, los veo el lunes. Mañana voy a publicar el prototipo de mi juego en Patreon, si les interesa. Ok. Buenas noches. Nos vemos. Bye bye. Good night. I will see you on Monday. Bye bye. Night night. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Hasta mañana. No, hasta el lunes. Good night. Bye bye. Bueno, también me pueden encontrar en Discord. You can also find me in Discord. That's true.